Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WooCommerce.com for managed Woo setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with WooCommerce.com for managed Woo setup, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the WooCommerce.com homepage. Look for the sign up or register option, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Ensure that your password meets the security requirements. Review the terms and conditions presented on the registration page. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after registering. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation message from WooCommerce.com. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the WooCommerce.com site. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, navigate to the Managed Woo Setup section. Here, you can review the services offered. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Enter any additional information required for your selected plan. Proceed by clicking on the Continue or Next button. Review your selected plan and details one last time. If everything looks correct, click on the Purchase or Sign Up button to complete your registration. You will receive a confirmation of your purchase via email. Your WooCommerce Managed Setup account is now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.